Okay, this is how you hard code subtitles into a video file. I'm going to do it really fast and not talk, and later I'll do it really slow and talk about it, so as not to waste your time. So this is the slow way, where I talk. If you need some more help, go to lilsubs.com with your YouTube link, or whatever link, download it, choose your English subtitle or whatever language you want. You'll get ads if you don't have an ad blocker. Keep trying until you get the SRT file. Get it from your downloads folder and put it in some clean folder somewhere. Fuck. Find the original video file where it came from, if you have it. Make a new folder, call it whatever you like, done. That's what I call it. You've got to have these two guys the same name. I just call it vid and vid. Open a clean instance of VLC. Don't just use one you've got open already. Don't just use one you've got open. Convert, save, add. Click your video, convert, save to stream, next, add. This is where it's going to output to. This is where my done folder comes in handy. Save it there. Next, click this tool, subtitles, untick or uncheck. Change this to T140. Check this or tick this again. Save it. Next. Stream. Wait a long time. When it's done, do close VLC and open it from its file location. Fuck off! And here we have our hard-coded file. Okay, just to prove it's not picking up the sub from the file, you can delete them. They're definitely hard-coded in. Alright, if you like this. Alright, if this helped you, good. If it didn't help you, I don't care. If you want to leave a comment, don't.